Welcome to Writing Project Management for Students with Mentafy. Let's begin by exploring the project overview screen. First up, we have the calendar, giving you a clear view of your project timeline and key dates. The background colors indicate different phases of your writing project. Here you see typical phases of a writing journey, from finding a topic through submission. For each phase, you get some tips and tricks from Mentafy as well as generic guidelines and those provided by your school. For example, if you don't have a topic yet, we provide a helpful tool for your topic ideation. Next, let's check the to-dos. This is a list of your external milestones and private tasks. To add a new task, simply type in your task here and press Enter. Now, let's add a description by editing our task and saving the changes. You'll see the new task appear in the list, and it will also be marked teal in your calendar. Now, let's check out the daily summary. This will give you a daily summary of your session on a specific date, that is, the work you completed in a day. It looks something like this. The dashboard will give you an overview of all your project data. You can start writing in your Word document. You can check the source alerts from Mentafy, especially the unclassified ones, where you might want to add a citation or an AI prompt. Further, you can access any other materials you added to your writing project. If you wish to see your OneDrive project folder, simply click here. Thank you for watching. Stand out and stay original.